As we drop into this space of serenity, of meditation, just allow whatever you're sitting on or resting on to fully support you and your body. If it feels good, close your eyes and just allow yourself to relax in that intrinsic support that is your body. Feel your breath, the full range of your breath, from the inhalation coming through the top of the breath when the lungs are full, and also as you exhale, releasing carbon dioxide and anything else that is no longer needed, and the bottom of the breath where there's this empty potential. And just allow that cycle to move through you at its own pace. As you are being with that, I invite you into the concept of this U.S. Day of Independence and allow it to be an independence of thoughts no longer needed, of judgments and opinions that may not even be yours that are rattling around in your being, and anything else that is no longer needed. You get to be independent in this moment from all of that. And if it's helpful, allow that to flow out with every exhalation. And allow yourself to invite in the new, the different things that are wanted, that are nutritious, that are intrinsic to your becoming your masterpiece. Whatever those might be, it may be deeper connection with spirit or God or whatever name you use for this source that is all, including you. Could be deeper connections with friends and family. Could be more revealed meaning in your life. All these things. And realize you don't need to know what or how. Just allow it to come in. And let us do that all now in the silence. from this deeper place of expanded awareness, if there are any people, situations, or places that come to mind that don't feel yet connected to this expanded awareness, please call their names softly aloud, calling them into this awareness that is surrounding them already, that is already there. Know that by calling them forth, you are inviting them, bringing them closer to the awareness that they already are in this space, in this place of deeper connection, of more of what they're wanting and being a part of the cosmos. Thank you, thank you, thank you for doing that. And allow yourself to bring your body into this expanded space. Let them coalesce. Make them one. So with that, you might feel like you want to wiggle fingers and toes first. And when you're ready, open your eyes, stretch if it feels good.